Hello and welcome to episode 431 in the command block series. We're going to be making a pointless jumping piston. Trust me, this is pointless. It's going to be a piston and it's going to jump around the place. That's it. Okay, just a bit of fun really. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with summoning a slime. Let's pop that on there. And we'll label this as summon. And I'm going to summon a slime. I'll do it just a bit in the positive Z, which is just in front of me. And we'll have NoAI. What on earth does that say? I think we want NoAI equals false, which is the default, so we don't really need that. Let's leave that out. I probably don't even need that. Let's give it some tags. Tags. Target. I'm going to make it true, silent true for now, just so it doesn't squelch around the place. Size 1, which I believe is the default, so we probably don't need that. Active effects will be a list. We're going to have one effect. The effect we have will have the ID of... Can I have two of those, please? Thank you. Minecraft invisibility. Brain freeze. Okay, it will have an amplifier of doesn't matter if you're invisible or not, so 0. It'll have a duration of -1, so it's going to be infinite. And show particles will be, well, we could put false or we could put 0b. Let's do 0b for a change. Okay, done. There he is. He is there. Okay, let's get rid of him. Remove. What we will do is we'll teleport any entity whose tag equals target. We don't care if it's relative to the command block. This is just a temporary command to get rid of this guy. So we'll just shoot him down beneath this command block. Off you go. Right. Now we want a block display. Chain always active. We are going to summon a block display. It doesn't really matter where we summon it, so we're going to be teleporting it to the slime anyway. But we'll start in the same place. So since the last one was +2, so the last one was here, 1, 2. This one will be +1. That'll do. Okay. Open and close. Let's get some information. We'll have a tag. You can have two tags. It's going to be his disguise, and this will be the body. We'll need a block state. What block are we going to show? Block state requires a name, and we'll say piston. Silent true, why not? Let's make it silent as well. And now we need some transformation information, which, done. I have put the defaults here already. So full commands are in the description. So transformation, left rotation, all 0s and 1, right rotation default, translation default, scale default. Let's copy that and put it in here. We'll go through it though. Oh, hello. If we made some sort of mistake, because it's not happy now. Why is that not happy? So we're opening. Left rotation is in square brackets. There we go. We had it in curly. Okay, remember that for next time. Right, transformation. Left rotation, 001F. Right rotation, 0001. Translation and scale. We need to change those a bit. Scale is going to stay the same, but the translation I'm going to change. So I'm going to put 0.5 on the Z, and I'm going to put -0.5 on the X. Yep, that should be alright. And I'm going to change the left rotation, but I am going to change the left rotation to use an axis instead. So let's do axis and that will have an angle of 4.71. Did I put 4,71? Yes, I did. And we are going to rotate on the X. Okay, so that should be all right. And then we're going to want a passenger. Passengers. We're going to have one passenger. It's going to have tags. It's going to it'll have two tags as well, actually. So this will be part of the disguise, and it will be the, I know, the leg. Now come out of tags. Yeah. And we'll need an ID. What type of block is it? So we better put that ID. It's going to be a block display, which will need a block state, which requires a name, and its name will be Minecraft piston head. I think it's called piston head. I realized that this time we've used the namespace Minecraft :piston head. Last time we just put piston, we didn't put the namespace. Bit naughty. And this will need some transformation information, so let's put that in, paste in what we used last time, make sure we change the left rotation. Well, I'm going to use axis again, so I'm going to keep those curly brackets. Axis and angle. What angle do I want? I think it's the same, 4.71 for the angle, and the axis is going to be the same, 1F, 0F, 0F. And our translation is going to be the same, 0.5 on that one, on the X, on the Z, minus 0.5 on the X. Normal scale, okay, done. Let's try that. Okay, well, there he is. We might have to change something. I think we need to move this down. Okay, go away you. Well, it's going to leave the block displays. Okay. Let's get an extra command on the end of our kill here. Kill any entity tag equals disguise. So our leg needs to come down a bit. So that's here. Let's do minus 0.5 on the leg bit. Okay, there's our piston. Our slime is just hopping around at the moment. They're not connected, so let's make a controller. This is silly. I did warn you this is silly. Okay. Controller. We will execute at any entity whose tag equals target. Run TP any entity whose type equals block display, tag equals disguise. Done. Repeat. Turn it on. Let's get you going. There we go. It's just rather silly, to be honest. And he's not strict. Look, his little leg isn't working very well. Okay, let's do a bit more control on his leg. Let's do something there. Okay, right. Let's fiddle with his leg a bit. It worked sort of. What can we do? Let's do. I think what we should do in this one as well, we've got type equals Minecraft. Oh, we've got the type, yes, that's cool. Okay, so in this one, let's do execute. Oh, I've gone big. At any entity, type equals slime, tag equals target, and we're going to do something naughty. We're just going to use an NBT check. Naughty, naughty, naughty. But we're only being silly and playing around. So NBT check. On ground is true as any entity whose type equals block display, tag equals leg, limit equals 1, distance equals less than 0.1, run data merge into an entity. That entity we're going to merge in a different block state. Block state name Minecraft air. That'll do. Done. And I'm going to copy that. Control middle mouse, paste it down again. This time I'm going to say tag equals body. Probably all I need to change. Body. Data merge into yourself. Okay, we need to change the block state. Block state we'll have as a piston. But I want to change a property on it. So after piston, but still inside the block state. So let's go in there. Properties. Extended. False. I think false was going to have to be in those. Okay. Done. Now I'm going to copy that one and paste them back down. So this first one is doing the leg. What do we want to change? We want to say it's not on the ground now. So we'll go MBT equals not. God, I slapped that key rather hard. Not on the ground. And we'll go all the way to the end. And we'll, instead of saying air, we'll say now you're going to be the piston head. Done. And this one will say not. Not on the ground. And we'll say extended equals true. Okay, let's try it. Why not? Hello, little piston. Can you jump up there? Yes, you can. There we go. Right, I told you it was going to be silly. I don't know why we've made it. It's completely stupid. But it's a bit of fun. I've got a pet piston. Oh, what should we call him? I don't know. Squidgy. Who knows? Anyway, I'm waffling. Just a quickie. I thought I might as well put something out today. Right, I'll catch up with you next time. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Squidgy.